How to improve the experience of employees and results of cooperation with the IT department. Well, you need a well-developed IT service management tool, and ServiceNow might be your perfect match. ServiceNow is a cloud-based solution that offers tangible benefits for IT service management and IT infrastructure library. It helps the modern enterprise operate faster and be more scalable than ever before. How is it possible? Let's find out in this ServiceNow review. Want to see our review videos first? Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos, help desk systems news, and useful guides. Functionality. Built to manage everything as a service, ServiceNow has a wide range of functions and options designed for ITSM and ITIL. Let's dig in. As IT Service Management Solution Service now includes incident management, problem management, change management, and request management. With IT Service Management included in ServiceNow, companies can quickly detect, identify, and resolve IT incidents using AI-powered modules. Automated workflows help improve efficiency and cost savings by visually tracking automated tasks to check the progress of projects or services. As for IT operations management, ServiceNow uses AI-enabled technology to help identify and resolve IT issues. This software helps businesses avoid downtime due to technical glitches. In addition, Service Mapping lets you drive service-aware operations and get visibility into the relationships between your applications. IT staff can create over a dozen reports with analytics and reporting capabilities, ranging from bar reports to pivot tables using the natural language query prompt. This module also does predictive analytics by using statistical algorithms. UI. ServiceNow interface is a bit packed. First, you see the system administration with guided setup, system security, business logic, create and deploy, and more. In the right corner of the screen, you can access the user menu, search, toggle connect sidebar, toggle help sidebar, and settings. On the left side, the navigation bar has a detailed list of 20 main program sections and 127 subsections. So you need some time to study them all. Pricing. ServiceNow doesn't publicly provide its pricing. That's because the IT service management platform offers many different options tailored to meet specific business needs. It depends on the industry, company size, geographic location, selected ServiceNow modules, and license types. To get your quote, just contact ServiceNow team. Integration. ServiceNow is one of a few ITSM tools that supports over 184 integrations. Or integrate the ITSM solution using Web Services API, JavaScript API, Scripted REST API, MID Server. Pros and cons. ServiceNow, like any other software, has strong and weak sides. Apart from being flexible, this ITSM is exceedingly powerful in nearly every aspect. Is this IT service management solution that great? Let's check ServiceNow advantages. Cloud hosted. Tracking incidents, depreciation, and users with assets. Customizable and sleek reports. Many support options. On the other side, ServiceNow disadvantages include the fully packed navigation panel, the relatively high upfront cost, complexity when choosing plugins and solutions. Overall, ServiceNow is suitable for enterprises. Its feature set is almost guaranteed to mark off whatever functions you require. But be prepared for a longer than expected learning curve and or potentially a high price tag if you are running a startup or SMB.